0.002 seconds. It is measuring the time, correct?
Yeah.
It is telling the number of test cases. Finally, it says okay. Now everything is already handled in unit test.
Okay.
Okay. If you deviate from that, then you need to take care of writing the your own framework. So don't do that. So to give us shortest answer, why to create object? No need. It is not needed. Unit test module will take care of everything.
Okay. And sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
For every function, whatever we have written in the module, for all the functions, we should means ideally we should write the unit test
Correct. Yes, you are
inside
right.
this class.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, sir.
So that whenever somebody else changes the function, all these test cases will get executed. And if the result is okay, then only it will move to the next step. Yet else it will get stopped.
And more than one case also we can write for one function like we did in this case.
Yes, ma'am. So there will be lot
Yes.
of right for
Yes,
addition,
sir.
positive numbers, negative numbers, complex numbers, string, every all the combinations you can write, right?
Yes, sir.
So this addition is the simplest example. A plus B is the simplest example, but this will be really in like complex in nature if you work in a corporate. So right. So for example, you can also give something of this sort. Concatenation. You can write a test add 3, and then you can pass something like hi, and then you can expect hello. What can you expect here? Hi, hello. Right. So this is the concatenation that you are checking. Execute it. It will say, hey, run 3 test cases, all okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you understand your source code function, and whatever the combinations that you want to test, you test it. Since it is addition, I'm doing this kind of test. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Fine,
Right.
sir. Thank you.
Anybody else has any doubts or any questions? Now, can I request you guys to quickly take 2 to 3 minutes time and validate this? Okay. Right. Yeah. What are you supposed to do? Look at this again. You can have your normal file, source code file, no change in that. Additionally, you are going to create one test file where you need to import unit. You need to import that source code. Imports are so all the this myfunc will be a part of this file. You need to have one class, given name, unit test case, inheritance, write a definition like this, and then you start it by unit test.main. Okay, please have a look at it. Give a try now. Make it fast. Make it fast, guys.